How to enable floating app Windows mode on a Vivo phone with Android 14 FunTouch OS 14. This is a global version. Let's get started. The fastest way to do this here is, let's just say you have some apps open already and you tap on the Recents button or perform the Recents swipe gesture to get into the Recents view mode, this view mode here like that, okay? Now, once you're in this view mode here, for every app you have open already, there is the name of the app and a little drop down menu. When you tap on it, you'll see this right here. Now, keep in mind, not every app can do this, and the ones that can't will have the option that says small window. Once you tap on it one time, your app will enter into this mini size view, which now will allow you to shrink the size of it. And if it's a video you're playing, you can press play and that video can play, and you can have it in a very small video playing mode like this here, or any other app that you're using. You can also move it around and also go into another app and navigate that other app while this is playing like that there. So if you've been looking for this right here and something like that, this is where you would go to do it. A single tap on the floating window would give you this here. You got these little icons up here to the top. This is to close it out. This is to minimize it. And the one to the left will expand it back to the full size. And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.